Yung very controversial Pantaleon-Estrella Bridge that's supposed to be, will be closed down last year. Pero of course, nakiusap nga kami sa DPWH kaya na-postpone yan because the Yuletide season, So, definitely, they're going to close it down on January 19, Saturday, starting at 4 a.m. Ang gagawin po natin starting Monday, Sir? General Andres, I'm giving order to our task force operation group to clear all roads, dito po sa ating alternate routes. Yung ating pong kampanya sa illegal parking, mas lalo po nating patitindihin yan, mataas na po ang fine natin. All obstructions, illegal vendors, etc. will be cleared. Definite na po to, wala nang atrasan. Na-explain po sa amin ng DPWH ang reason behind the closure of this bridge, Kasi kahit kami nagtatanong why to close this bridge to improve it to 4 lanes, 2 lanes siya nagagamit. Kung makikita niyo yung itsura nito, matibay siya, matibay siya. Kumbaga international standard. But, hindi ata siya talaga naka-design for highly urbanized, city like Metro Manila. More than 35,000 vehicles a day ang average dyan, So they really need to widen it and then patibayin din. Padami yung mga sasakyan. So we really need to start somewhere na improve na natin, gawin natin 4 lanes to. It will take 30 months. 30. It's really a new bridge. New bridge. Tanggal lahat yan, papalitan ng meron yan. May design sila, ang ganda. Nakita ko, may sidewalk pa 147 ang main span, abot ng 160 meters yung total. Kasama yung road widening doon sa side ng Pantaleon. I-widen nila. It's part of the project. Of course, kung hindi mo lalakihan yan, bali wala. Imbudo lang yan.